So today's the day, it's Saturday, and I am leaving for, I have tennis elbow. So I am leaving for South Beach today. My flight leaves at 6:49. I just ordered my lift and she'll be here in about 9 minutes. So this is the fit, airport fit. I know I'm wearing these high sandals. That's okay, I can handle it. And this is the tube top from Zara, and then this is from Abercrombie. And you have to stay warm in the airport and in the plane, so this is what I'm wearing with this outfit. Here I'm waiting for my lift. So this is the hotel. It's pretty cool, pretty nice. It's open and sunny, and then there is a bar in the middle, and then a tiendita. I guess that's where you can order coffee, pastries, or breakfast. So yeah, I'll show you more when the girls get here. So I just got here and I'm just waiting for Leia. She's gonna get here probably around 2 o'clock. Been on the phone also, taking care of other things, and then maybe I'll edit in my laptop, and then probably get lunch when Leia gets here, and then the other girls will be getting here a little later. So this place is actually pretty cute. I can't wait to see upstairs. I think the pool is upstairs. So this is the situation here. Working on my laptop. And I definitely need some coffee. Gotta find coffee. So I finally got my coffee. And I'm at the pool. Oh, Leia's here. Say hi. Are you excited?
I'm super excited.
Yay!
It's so hot.
It is hot. Okay, we're gonna get some lunch. All right. Cheers. Cheers.
Miami.
Miami, baby. All right, so we got our lunch. So we have chicken fingers and some fries. We have chopped salad. So we're just enjoying the day. Talking. That's what's going on right there. That's the situation. Alright, so it is 4:05 and we're still waiting for the other girls. Leia is on her number 2. Really good, by the way. So that's the situation. That's the situation at the moment. So we're just kind of like people watching. We're not wearing our bathing suits right now, but tomorrow, get ready.
Get ready.
Okay, so this is the situation we have. Hey! So this is my first time having to sleep on a bunk bed. So here's the situation. The word is situation. One person will be sleeping right there. Up there.
And the toilet's bigger than the.
Oh shoot! And then I'm gonna be up there, and then the bathroom is right here. Oh my! I can't open this. Okay, so that's the bathroom.
To grab less chanclas.
And then
Yes.
oh, here's the shower. Here's the shower.
Well, because look at the shower. Remember, like in the Philippines. So do you guys use the chanclas?
A sink.
No, we do because the.
Ta-da! And then here's the pool. Why would you look at that?
Suitcase here.
This is nice, guys.
I'm gonna hug you like. Yeah.
Who's got a hug you like hung up?
All right, who needs to get tan? Right here.
Well, you know who's the lightest of them all.
Oh my gosh, this is so nice.
All right, so we're at CVS and we're just buying a few essentials such as water and snacks. And it seems like Maria trying to figure this out.
Please win.
And she started speaking Spanish too. Cute. This is the situation. Leia thinks she's in Texas. Conceal and carry. This way? Alright, so we're back here at the Muscle Beach, the outside gym. We're gonna hit this spot tomorrow. We're gonna lift some weights. Literally says Muscle Beach. Yeah. But that guy, look at him do his thing.
I think that way, right? It's a ties mix.
So Joan is gonna be sleeping up there, and then Veronica is gonna be down there. This is my spot over here, and that's the situation right there.
I packed this morning, guys.
All right, so this is what's happening right now.
I tell her, I go, this is what you should wake up to and go to sleep at night. No makeup.
That's what's happening.
You're stuck. That's all you get. It's like if you want beauty.
Alright, so good morning. It is Sunday morning. We just got our coffees, and then we're on our way up to get our towels, and then we're gonna go to the bar. I mean, to the beach. We're also gonna get a few workouts in, and then... Alright, so this is the situation. This is what we're doing. This is... So we're just doing a few reps. Alright, so we just got done with a little bit of workout. Leia does it regularly, so she did pretty good. Me on the other side, so. But that's okay. We're still getting the workout done. We're gonna head down to the beach, check it out for the first time. And then probably get some breakfast. So what at Cafe Bajor, this is what Joan and Sanaya is having. Avocado toast with eggs and salad. And papaya. There you go. Ooh, cafe. Yay. Can't wait for my food. How's your sandwich? Really good? Amazing. The empanadas. Alright, so this is what I'm having. Italiano. Just one shot. I'm done. Okay, so this is Ocean Drive. Again, I've been here many times, but I feel like I have to take a picture like this for video. Okay, so this is our setup. Right there. And here's the beach. We are at Gianni's. We're gonna dine here for dinner. Checking in. Rah, 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 rah. Oh, Maria, they're calling you. salmon right now. Didn't know it was a whole fish. Oh, I think I did know that.
They deboned it already.